Wondering how French women always manage to look elegant and effortlessly chic? Today, I'll share the 3 golden rules that French women never give up when it comes to wearing jeans. If you want to capture that simple yet sophisticated vibe of French style, this video is for you. If you're ready, let's get started. Must-have jeans models in French style. Straight-leg jeans, timeless, classic, and fits every combination. High-waisted jeans balances body proportions and gives a longer and more elegant look. Slightly flared legs add elegance and a nostalgic air. Jeans that do not fit French style. Excessively ripped and distressed jeans. Very skinny or baggy models. Overly stonewashed or faded jeans. French women always aim for natural and effortless elegance, staying away from exaggeration. Finding the perfect jean cut is the first step towards a stylish look. Rule 2. Combine with the right pieces. French women's jean combinations are always sophisticated and minimalist. So, how should jeans be combined with the right pieces? 40 combination suggestions that capture French chic. Natural tones and neutral color palettes will be a big part of the fashion world in 2025. Cream, beige, gray, and pastel tones provide a sophisticated look, while overly bright colors are less preferred. Don't forget to combine soft tones and simple cuts for everyday elegance. In 2025 fashion, timeless pieces are at the forefront. Instead of fast fashion, choosing quality, long-wearing pieces will always make you look more sophisticated and modern. Neutral-toned blazers, classic cut jeans, and leather accessories will enhance your elegance.
I don't want no bad man in my life. To the left, don't want no bomber clock in my life. I'm taking, no, I'm taking, I'm taking, no, I'm taking, no, I'm taking. See now my life is balanced. The past there is no remembrance. Now I they get assurance. So leave me to chop my romance. No be you say I be dirty. Now why you call me sexy? I think say you must be crazy. Crazy inside the membrane. Crazy inside the membrane. For you I'm taking. My mind is fully awakened. My heart is strong, no shaking. I'm taking, no, I'm taking, no, I'm taking, no, I'm taking. Now you'll be there. Now you'll be there. To the left, I don't want no bad man in my life. To the left, don't want no bomber clock in my life. If you don't love me, then why later? I see, say now I'll be better. Just get away, you faker. Just get away.
In 2025, being comfortable yet stylish is more important than ever. Ballerinas, loafers, and ballerina shoes are at the forefront of this year's fashion world. Inspired by the timeless style of French women, you can achieve an elegant yet comfortable look with ballerinas in neutral tones such as beige, black, and pastel. Loafers play a strong complementary role, especially in blazer and jean combinations. Ballerina shoes are ideal for adding a romantic and feminine air. You can create a sophisticated style by choosing minimal designs, elegant lace details, and quality leather materials in your shoe choices. Rule 3. Add a touch of elegance with accessories. French women skillfully use accessories to complement their jeans. So, which accessories make their jeans look perfect? Accessories that match chic and French style. Minimalist gold or silver jewelry adds an elegant touch. timeless leather bag adds a luxurious and sophisticated air. A scarf or chic hat adds character and style to the outfit. A classic watch or thin bracelet, small but effective. Details. Here are 3 timeless rules that French women never give up when it comes to wearing jeans. By following these rules, you too can look effortlessly chic and sophisticated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more style tips and content about French chic, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.